I'm so hungry, I'm starving, I want some meat! What's up everybody, I'm Neo and today I'm going to make a dish with 1,000 years of history, a cuisine that originated from Arabia and spread to China. Yo, are you still on my beef? Okay, good now, never mind. Let's get back to the topic. Just throw the beef on a cutting board and then chop, chop, chop! Cut it into small pieces and throw them into the bowl. Then pour the seasoning directly into it and mix it vigorously with your hands. Oh, I almost forgot to add egg whites. As for the egg yolk, just put it on the side and add some oil to the bowl and mix it together. Then finally chop the onions and garlic into tiny pieces and use toothpicks to skewer the prepared meat slices. Okay, now that we're ready, heat the oil and then fry the meat slices directly in the oil pan using a spoon. Fry it for a while and then take it out. Pour it out and use the oil and pour a little more oil into a clean pan. Pour all the seasonings into the pan and stir fry until fragrant. Then directly add the fried beef into the pan and stir fry. Of course, you must add a sufficient amount of dried chili powder and white sesame, otherwise it won't taste good and you'll only be full and satisfied. Once it's dry, quickly put it on a plate and start eating because I'm really starving.
Nice.
By the way, do you still remember the prosperous Tang Dynasty, where Arabian grilled meat became famous in our Chinese land? And now we have our own version of skewered beef combined with a spicy and flavorful taste that Sichuan people love. This skewered beef is truly delicious and not inferior to Arabian grilled meat. Finally, I'm full and satisfied now. I'll show you more next time. That's it, you can draw now.